What's going on YouTube? Harlan here with Money Mindset. I'm going to be talking about the potential Facebook swing trade you can begin getting in on. So yesterday, Facebook reported earnings and the stock fell more than it ever has in the past. It fell, the total was 24%, but it did recover since after hours trading last night. It rallied all day yesterday up until 219, and since the report after hours obviously fell, and then it recovered a little bit to 170, 174 currently. Today is July 26, 2018, and I'm going to be showing you guys my opinion on Facebook and how you can make like a quick swing trade in the next few months. Alright, so we're going to be drawing our support lines and our resistant lines. So there you see it. That is a 30% increase since last report. All right. So now it's trading at 173.86. Last time it was at this price. So here we go. It was at this price right there. All right. That was at the rally after reported earnings last quarter. And in my opinion, a good selling point once you do take a position on Facebook would be right here. Why is that? Because it's resistant. It was previously resistant, and a good support right here, which was only what, like 2 weeks ago. Sorry, my mic cut out. Might have. All right, but anyways, yeah, it's a good sell right here in my opinion. That is a potential of 10% increase, and I would sell at the 10% just to be safe. Uh, put a limit order in, and yeah. All right, let's look what it's trading at right now. All right, so this morning at open, you could have caught in at a good 4% increase. I was actually about to get in on that, but Facebook is a little bit too expensive for me to be profitable with commissions and all that. But as you can see, the sell-off right here into a good support. So it's going to be ending off positive for today, as I predicted yesterday. I knew it was going to be positive since yesterday, but we can look a little bit closer. As you can see, it was really active yesterday, last night. High was 219. Boom, 10% after they reported earnings. But they were talking, then the CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, was talking about how they were losing concurrent customers or concurrent users on Facebook. Boom, that was what, another 20%, 16%. So overall, it lost a good 20, 23, 24%, 164. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Alright, Money Mindset out.